Hello, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Allison and welcome back to ShermieLiving, Beauty, and all the above. Today we're going to talk about hair. And I'm pretty sure you're looking at my hair and you're like, girl, you should not be giving me advice on hair. But I am, because this is hair that I just woke up from a nap. So this is why it looks like that. But you know what? I'm all about giving real truth, transparency. Yeah? It was cute earlier, guys, okay? So we're going to talk about how to make my hair grow, how I make my hair grow, how I take care of my curls, how I take care of my daughter's curls. Some of you have seen my daughter's curls. They're like crazy, crazy tight. They're mixed hair. Her curls are way tighter than mine. And I will tell you exactly what we do every single day. And be a quick video, so let's get into it right now. All right, so we're gonna talk about my favorite thing in the world, and this is super bootleg, whatever. You know what? I am not about the life of things always looking pretty. It doesn't happen. It just doesn't, okay? I'm okay with that. This is the same bottle I've been using for 2 years. 2 years. This is Mermaid Spray, okay? And how I make Mermaid Spray is Cedarwood, Rosemary, and Lavender. These 3 cutie pies go in here. I do 20 drops of each of them. And then I do a splash of Witch Hazel. Just like I go, you know, it's like super simple, okay? We don't overthink things here. Squirt it in there and then top it off with some distilled water. Shake, and I apply it all over my scalp every night before I go to bed. And after I take a shower, when I get out of the shower, my hair is all wet and stuff like that, I get it in there. I'm like really saturated. It does not make my hair oily at all. I have friends that have straight hair. I have friends that have oily hair. It does not do that. The Witch Hazel definitely helps with that a lot. But I get it really into the scalp. You know, I'm like, get it in there. Get it in. It smells amazing. And that has made my hair grow like crazy. I also have it in a little roller, which I don't have with me right now. Oh, I'm lying. I don't. I have a little roller as well. And it's just the oils with a carrier oil. And I put it on my brows. These are my brows with nothing on them. I mean, they're light and stuff, and I get them shaped over at Ulta. But I don't have to fill in my brows anymore. My brows were a lot lighter before. Like, they were scarce. Like, I had barely any hair. All right, so I do that. And then when I'm styling my hair, I use the Mirah Lustrous hair oil. Okay, I'm going to be telling you right now, less is more with this stuff, okay? A lot of my friends, they have straight hair, or that straighten their hair, like with a flat iron, with a blow dryer every day. They do it, and then they take like 2 drops of this bad boy. They go boop, boop, into their hand. They rub it all over, and then they rub they wipe their hair down, and there's no flyaways. It's amazing. But for me, my hair is usually wet. I brush it down so it's nice and flat against my head. Brush with my wet brush, and then I take half of a syringe of this. See, that much. Oh, it's gonna drip. Squirt into my hand, and I start at the tips of my hair and I work up. It smells magical. So that's how we make Mermaid Spray. A lot of times, let me just be real, I just use this and I don't put the Mirah oil in my hair, and I just go out the door. I spray this in my hair, shake it, scrunch my curls, and I'm out. And the main thing I do this for is curls have a hard time with breakage, and curls usually don't like fragrance because it's filled with alcohols and like things that we don't need in our hair. So it tends to give our hair more breaks and like destroy our curls long term. That's why I have a really hard time purchasing curly hair products, because it like the number 4 ingredient is fragrance, which is a bummer. I have a lot of friends that are like very, very different, like very coarse, nappy hair, and they love this stuff. This is like the bomb.com. And my straight hair sisters use it all the time too. So just giving you a heads up. This is Mermaid Spray. I think I bought this at the dollar store, this spray bottle. It's been so long I don't even remember. But yeah, this is how I keep my hair cute. I mean, look, I sprayed. It doesn't look cute, but I mean, like, ours look better. Ours looks better. Psh. Mermaid Spray. Come in, girl. That went in my ear. That went directly in my ear. Yep, I'm feeling cute. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll put the graphic into the comments and all the information in the details. Have an awesome day. And, oh, and subscribe.